Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management and click on Payable. Go to Process. Go to Purchase Order from Purchase Return. And then to Purchase Order from Purchase Return. Select Currency. Select Supplier. Select Branch. Select Due on Receipt. Click on Add New. Select Items. Select Unit Price and Discount. Select VAT. Click on Save Purchase Order from Purchase Return and then click Save and Index.